Alright, go ahead. Up really hard. The water's really close. But man,
it's taking my hat.
Aren't there usually houses down that way? Where'd they go? It's probably going to start pushing the water further in. But yeah, look at those benches.
Look at the buoy!
Where's the buoy?
Right there.
There's like a random crate.
Look, dude.
Yeah.
You know, we could probably send that to.
What?
Could we get that on?
Think so? That is.
Could it get worse?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it might.
Yeah.
I mean, at least we would get out. Those people can't get out at all.
No. They're stuck.
Not that we can go any anywhere. No. Look at the benches.
I know. Completely underwater.